can see you.
Okay, so I mentioned the term partners or resellers a couple of times.
Question.
Oh yeah, please, yeah.
You're muted.
Subtitles to what people are saying.
Oh, that's interesting. For deaf, for like the deaf. Like if you have a conversation with a deaf person.
Not to my knowledge in this system. We have another system called Show and Share. Different product, relatively recent. What Show and Share is kind of like a private YouTube for a company. And the reason it would be private is that, for example, if you were working at a company and you had different offices, like let's say you were a network administrator in Virginia, and there were other network administrators in an office in Ohio and California. Let's say you figured something out. Everyone was wondering how to do something to optimize the network. You finally figured it out. You want to share it with those other employees. Well, one very powerful way to share it is to record a video. What better way to record a video, or what easier way than YouTube? Throw it up on YouTube, send them the link. But the problem, go ahead, yeah.
So what kind of security comes along with just keeping from eavesdropping on conferences or?
Everything here can be secured, can be fully encrypted as it's transmitted. This actually connects to our IP phone system. And to the phone system, it doesn't know about all the video. This is actually just a phone system to it. And that phone is what it thinks it is. And our phone system can encrypt any video call, any audio call. So we can fully encrypt this.
Cisco is #1 in firewall.
Well, I would say that any encryption can be broken with enough time and enough resources. But most of the encryptions that we use would take literally months or years of a computer hashing against it to figure it out. By that time, this call is ended, the next call will have a new encryption on it. So, but back to the point, back to the story. You record it on YouTube, and that's great. You share it, but you know what? YouTube is public. That means the competition can see it too. That means that you've shared your thing with everyone in the world. So if that's a competitive advantage,
private YouTube.
Exactly. Show and Share is a private YouTube. Among the other things it can do is it has a transcription engine. So what you speak, it can transcribe for you as well to get to your point.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like having, like you said earlier, y'all have y'all's own Wikipedia, private Wikipedia that y'all can update and whatnot. It's pretty much like a private version of YouTube.
Absolutely. And you can take things like flip cameras and upload video to it very quickly for exactly that reason. Yeah. So partner resellers, I wanted to mention this because I know that some of you are going to be looking for jobs very soon, some may be looking for jobs a little bit later, but over 95% of all the products Cisco sells are not sold by Cisco. We sell them through resellers, or what we call partners. The only companies that buy directly from Cisco are pretty much the Fortune 500 size companies. Bank of America buys directly from Cisco. Walmart does. AT&T does. Basically, if you spend $50, $100 million with Cisco, you can tell Cisco, we're not buying through a partner. We're buying through you. And Cisco will say, yes, sir. What else can we do for you, sir? Everyone else goes through a reseller. And there's certain advantages to that. The reseller often includes services. That's where they take system engineers, people with CCNAs, CCNPs, CCVPs, CCIEs. And they sell hours of consulting work so that if someone buys a phone system, what shows up? Bunch of servers, bunch of switches, bunch of routers, bunch of phones. You know, you plug Cisco equipment together and you turn it on, nothing's going to happen. Those engineers are there to set all that up, to do the iOS configuration, to set up or even define. I need a network. What should I do? What should be my subnetting? Those partner engineers figure that out. So 95% of $40 billion goes through these partners. So as you can guess, these partners need a lot of system engineers, a lot of networking people to be able to implement this stuff. There are different levels of partners, from registered, which just means you basically fill out a form and now you can sell some Cisco gear, to Premier, Silver, and Gold. To get to these higher levels, Premier, Silver, and Gold, when these resellers buy from Cisco, they buy at a discounted rate so they can turn around and sell to the customer. That discount gets better the higher they go on this, Premier, Silver, Gold. And in order to get to Premier, Silver, Gold, they are required to have certain things that require a number of professional level certified engineers, CCNPs. If they want to sell voice, they have to have a CCVP. Otherwise, they can't sell a Cisco phone system. We won't let them. If they want to be gold, they have to have, I believe, 4 CCIEs on staff, or they will not get the discount level at gold. So this is Cisco's way of making sure that the partner has people that are trained in the technology to help deploy it. And this also is a reason why these partners are very interested in hiring people with Cisco certifications. If you have a CCNA and you talk to them, they may not need a CCNA on staff to get to Premier or Silver. But if you tell them, I have a CCNA now, I just got it. What are your goals? Well, in 2 years, I want to have my CCNP or my CCVP. They're going to like to hear that because they need those people to be able to sell certain things from Cisco. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, who are these partners and where are they located? This is something I wanted to show all of you because there are many partners out there. So I'm going to open up the web browser and I'm going to go to Cisco.com and show you where you can find these folks. So if we go to Cisco.com and we go to partners, we go to partners, oh, if I can get this right, find a partner. Let's go to, I'm going to go to the advanced search. Where would you guys like to know what partners of Cisco are available?
In California.
Where?
California.
Give me a city. So Charlotte, the city.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go with the city. So Charlotte, and you can do this literally anywhere around the world. So if you're thinking, excuse me, if you're thinking I'm going to move to California, to Ohio, and you're looking for a place to work, this is a great resource.
I would imagine.
Let's go to United States. Like I said, there are partners all over the world. And let's say within 50 miles of Charlotte. And now let's do a search. And we have showing 1 through 5 of 176 Cisco partners in the Charlotte area. Here's their address. Here's their phone number. I want to show you something else that's important here. Let's go with this Layer 1 Technologies. When you hover over their name, or if you click on their name, it'll come up. Certifications, none. Specializations, none. Managed services, none. Blah, blah, blah. They are a registered partner. That means that they filled out a piece of paper to resell Cisco, but they probably don't need a lot of CCVPs, CCNPs, and so forth because they don't have what we call specializations. I'm going to look for another partner and show you what a partner that does a lot of different Cisco things looks like. So I'm going to go back and search for, in the Charlotte area, I'm going to do Presidio.